Most people avoid checking their credit score because they are scared it will go down. And here's the truth no one tells you. That fear is based on a common myth, not reality, and it ends up hurting people more than helping them. In this video, you'll learn whether checking your credit score actually lowers it in 2026, what really affects your score, and how you can monitor it safely without any damage. Let's get straight into it. The simple answer is no way. Checking your own credit score does not lower it. When you check your score through official apps or credit bureaus, it is called a soft inquiry. Soft inquiries have zero impact on your credit score. So if Alex in Mumbai checks his credit score every week using a banking app, his score will not drop at all. He can monitor it as often as he wants, without any penalty. Now here's where it gets interesting. Not all credit checks are the same. There is also something called a hard inquiry, and this is where confusion starts. But here's the problem. Many people think every credit check is dangerous. That is completely wrong. A hard inquiry happens when you apply for credit, like a loan, credit card, or mortgage. For example, if Jake in the US applies for a new credit card, the bank performs a hard inquiry to review his credit profile. Now here's the key difference. Hard inquiries can slightly affect your credit score, usually by a small amount. But even then, the impact is temporary, and usually fades over time. So why does checking your own score not affect it? Because when you check your own credit, you are not asking for new credit. You are just reviewing your existing financial data. Credit bureaus understand this difference clearly. Now here's where it gets interesting. Regularly checking your credit score is actually a good habit. It helps you detect fraud, track improvements, and understand how your financial behavior affects your score. For example, if John notices a sudden drop, he can quickly check if there was a late payment or high credit usage reported. That early awareness can save him from bigger problems later. But here's a mistake people make. They confuse multiple loan applications with checking their score. If you apply for too many loans or credit cards in a short time, those hard inquiries can add up and affect your score more than just checking it. So here's a simple rule to remember. Checking your own credit score is always safe. Applying for new credit is what can temporarily affect your score. So to wrap it up, checking your credit score in 2026 does not lower it at all. In fact, it is one of the smartest habits for staying financially aware and protecting your credit health. If you understand this, you stop fearing your credit score and start managing it with confidence. If this helped you, like the video, comment your country so I can create more tailored credit guides, and subscribe for more simple finance explanations that help you build stronger financial habits.